Oh, what's up?
1986.
She's running mid?
What are you gonna say?
She's running mid?
You know, missing a couple bolts.
Oh, whatever.
I slapped her together. Had to show up.
I mean, that right there is an optional bolt.
This one.
Optional.
Yeah.
Okay.
Optional heat shield would be a good thing because it's hot as shit.
Hey, optional. Optional. Yeah, right
Hot.
there. Optional.
Hot.
Hot.
Where do you want it? My pipe fell off. It's loud as shit.
Oh, I don't care. If you want to put it beside or leaning against the fender. Hey, still gonna send it? Mudding for part numbers, dirt bike time. This is what we do after we got back from a nice ride. Now it's time to play around. Hey, what happened here, Larry?
One, ran out of gas. Two, I think I might have actually broke a rib.
Yeah. You're kidding.
It's super hard for me to breathe, man. That bike toppled me.
That wasn't good. Yeah.
That hurts. I'm pretty sore.
Larry, you have no luck. Literally no luck.
Probably broke a rib. Not gonna lie.
It's called money for part numbers, not
Money for body parts.
Oh my god.
It hurts.
You want to go to the hospital or what?
No.
No?
Not that bad.
I think it's whiskey time. Oh!
I'll tell you one thing. The bike went like, I was pulling it and the bike went this way.
Yep.
I went down and the bike went over top of me. Yeah. As I'm on my back and something hit my chest.
Jesus.
My foot peg.
What, she just kicked out on you?
No forgiveness.
Yeah, it kind of, the tiger tail, right, retracts and I was trying to ride the brake the whole
Oh,
section,
when you...
Yeah, he was getting pulled. Yeah.
and the tiger tail caught and it was like, boom, and at that point it just went down, yeah. Oh.
Yeah, there's no forgiveness.
No.
That is rough.
Grab the rear? Yeah.
Here, Larry. Here. Don't hurt yourself more.
This thing weighs nothing.
Okay. Optional.
Gas in it?
Optional
You
bolt.
want to put gas in it anyways? No?
If you want to try and ride it, go
I got
for
gas.
it.
I got gas for you.
I'm not riding anymore.
I think Brian wants to ride
Not
it.
today.
I think Brian should ride it.
Today.
I'll take it for a rip. I gotta change my shoes though.
Overeat. Oh. Don't tiger tail a dirt bike.
Don't tiger tail a dirt bike.
Because you lose your front, or you lose your clutch. Nobody can ride this right now. I don't even have a clutch pad. Like,
Oh, you broke it right off.
it's gone.
Oh, fuck.
Larry's right stranded here now.
It's gone. That's alright.
Larry's only ride home is now out of commission. Oh, Jesus.
I missed that one.
Oh, Larry.
Well, let's go get the gas for it.
I got no clutch.
No clutch lever.
Clutch lever's gone.
Oh.
Look what we got coming in. Ooh, what's behind the leaves? Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's a WildCat XX. Oh yeah. Nice! Love it! Oh boy! Oh, he's gonna make it! Holy crap! I can't believe it. Boys, that is one gnarly hole. And the XX just did it with ease. Look at that. Buddy. Sorry. That way. That is one gnarly hole. I got my OG Maverick buried in there. And he just did it with ease. Props to the XX.
Row your boat!
Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Has the defender met his match? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Wow. That is crazy. He made her. Look how deep this is, boys. Oh, welcome to the pond. That is awesome. I can't believe the defender made that too. This is deep. This is gnarly. This is bottomless. This is MuddinForPart numbers. Like, subscribe, share. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Look at how wet that is. Jeez. Hey, you know the shit you do to get good footage. I put my good shoes in the water. My good shoes in the water. These are $2 dollar store Crocs.
Smart man.